Lots of plants are bolting, so I've got to get them out of the garden. Welcome back, Eloc Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Some I'm going to keep, save the seed, and others I'm going to pull out. It's 72 degrees today here in Maryland, Zone 7B. Pretty cloudy day today. Yep, that's what I'm seeing in the forecast. It's actually been like this for at least a week now. Now I do know for sure that my mustard greens have bolted as well as my arugula, so we're going to deal with those first. You might be wondering what snail damage looks like to your plants. I can show you. Okay, now look here. If you see rounded, smooth holes, often found right here in the center of the leaf, that's usually a sign that you've got snails or slugs. Sucks, right? Now, it doesn't mean that they won't chew on the edges, but usually it's more common that they'll go for the center of the leaf. Yeah, they've been munching away. And also, here's another telltale sign that you might have slug or snail damage. Do you see that slime trail there? Here's another one. You can see the trail of slime here. And here's another one. So again, round, smooth holes. You've got slugs or snails. Definitely one of the not so fun things about gardening. Snails eating up your food. All right, so here's my arugula. Arugula is really tasty in salads. It's spicy, so if you like a little spicy kick in your food, I love a little spice in my life. Arugula just might be for you. Boy, it's a jungle. Really don't want to deal with this right now, but I have to. Gotta make room, gotta make room. So when you see your plants forming flowers, this means they're going to seed. And shortly thereafter, you will find pods such as these. These pods store the seeds inside. Once this green pod turns brown, your seeds are ready to harvest. Store them in a cool, dry place. And so to harvest, you simply separate the leaves here from the stem. If you don't want to chew the leaves, you can definitely add them to smoothies. So the arugula has been pulled out. Most of it has been pulled out. I saved a few plants for the seeds. Let me show you that. So these are the plants that I'm saving strictly for harvesting the seeds. This way I don't have to buy more arugula seeds from the store. I see soil. I see more food. Next, I need to tackle the mustard greens. I see these beautiful yellow flowers here. They're really pretty to look at actually, but I do need the space. So again, I'm going to save maybe 1 or 2 of the plants strictly for the seeds because that's important. It's money saved. Buy the seeds once and never have to buy them again. All right, so let's get a little closer in here. Yes. It has a really light, sweet scent to it. Really pretty. Mustard greens. I've been really into eggs lately, scrambled eggs, coming out here, grabbing leaves and shredding them really thinly. I've been doing a lot of that lately, so yeah, these will probably go into some eggs. Or who knows, I may stir fry some as well, but I definitely have my mouth set for some eggs. Little bacon crumbles in there, yummy. All right, so these beautiful leaves, I'm going to harvest. The arugula leaves that I harvested would go really perfectly with the mustard greens. Mix them all together, such a wonderful flavor. Yeah, so let's harvest all of these greens, especially these young and tender ones. Y'all know I like them young and tender. All right, so I've got the mustards pulled out of this raised garden bed. I pulled out majority of them, but I left 2 plants to go to seed. It's already doing its work. The end of the life cycle. We all have a life cycle. And this is the basket of mustard greens that I've harvested. I can see soil again. Able to plant some new things for the summer. Might throw in a couple of pepper plants into this bed. Yeah, those need to come out as well. Try not to overwhelm myself with too many things at one time. I'll come out tomorrow and take care of those. It is such a quiet morning. The breeze feels fabulous. The birds are chirping. Nature's happy. That's what I hear. I hear happiness. If you are not growing your own food, drop a seed. Give it a try. The taste is amazing. There's definitely no better feeling than growing your own food and serving that food to your family. Best feeling ever. Knowing you're giving your family healthy food to eat. Knowing that it's actually doing good for our bodies and not harming our bodies. That alone, try to grow as much as you can in whatever space you're living in. You can grow on a balcony, on a back porch, in your backyard. So many different ways. Grow in raised beds, planters, containers, buckets. There's really no excuse. There really isn't. Also, just getting outside, getting some fresh air helps mentally, spiritually, emotionally, psychologically. There's so many benefits to gardening. I'm not going to preach. Just my little 2 cents. Give it a try. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.